Hello and welcome once again to Change is Joy channel. Today I finally decided that this is the day I'm going to take it to another level. Yes, I know being a mother, there's so much that can take one's attention, and I'm not going to be deterred by anything, even the wind, even up where I'm going to be monitoring. As you can see, so far I've hit 238 steps. I gathered. I was walking about in my house preparing to come out.
So how many steps do you think you're going to be doing today?
I am guessing possibly 10,000 steps.
Woo, that's a big margin.
Yes, because as you know, I've been completing 5,000 and above steps indoors. Now that I've come out in the nature, who knows? But I think 10,000 steps. And I'm going to be sipping down my water, going on the mount. Today it's very windy, but we're going to enjoy this walk. We're going to enjoy it. Let's go. My daughter really loves butterflies. As you can see, they've been flying. It went down inside. These plants, aren't they amazing? To me, they look amazing in nature. It's been 10 minutes now since I've been walking in nature. Look at this, how beautiful. Look at this. Little bees. I wonder what these are called. But these are berries.
Raspberries.
This is all pick some. Do you want some? There you go. These look like
Blueberries.
yeah, they look like blueberries
They look like turnip.
as well.
Turnip berry. Turnip berry. It's a turnip berry.
Oh wow. Okay, girl. There's so much in nature. There's so much out there to enjoy. So much to see. So much to do. I just love nature. Feeling a bit tired, but we're going to continue because Luke chapter 1 verse 37 says,
For with
"For with
God,
God
nothing shall be impossible."
Can you see the nature? And I'm just drinking away my water. I'm just loving it. I'm just taking each day as it comes. And what a walk. You guys, normally you would think people who are of certain amount of weight would struggle with walking. But myself, I haven't done it in ages. So actually taking this step to walk like this, to be in nature, feeling revived. I'm just so grateful. I'm so happy. As Psalms 118 verse 24 says, this is the day which the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be happy in it. Glad. So I'm just walking it, making sure I burn all the calories I can.
Skippity stop, skippity stop, skippity hoppity hop.
Look at the bird in nature. Nature is always beautiful, very beautiful. This is wonderful. This is mind-blowing, mind-relaxing, and everything.
Can you see that little bluebird? It's hiding, but can you see the moving of it? The movement is precious. Oh, it's run away.
Just run off.
Oh, I see it. I see its tail flickering in the wind.
Okay.
These are some memorinos. Cherry picking. Ah, black cat. It ran away.
I'm really enjoying it. Most part because I'm with my daughter.
Yeah.
And look at the leaves. Very nice and green leaves. Quite big. Let's go. We need to complete this target. Nature has its own way of doing it. I wanted to add this with my daughter to our scrapbook, but we can't because they are quite thorny, very thorny and sharp all over, as you can see.
We have covered 5,000.